We all understand that we are connected. Nature is a single system. What is becoming gradually revealed in our time is something we can call global interdependence. Across the planet, we are beginning to be so intertwined, so connected to each other, so dependent on each other, and therefore another kind of force is arising in human development. The old force, the desire to be more fulfilled, to get more, to have more, to be in power, to be in control, that's the human ego. That's one force of development. Now another force steps in, the inevitable interdependence across the planet. From now on, we're gonna see that we don't have a choice but to take the whole system into account. Financially, politically, culturally, ecologically, and it's going to grow more and more to the point that the entire system can grind into a halt if something is not working somewhere. This is the force that humanity now has to come to terms with.